Prenatal Yoga series. And then for this class, you'll need a blanket, maybe for your knees, 2 blocks for sure, and a pillow or a bolster to sit on. Let's get started. Inhale, reach your arms out wide and up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Good. Take your left hand to your right ribs. Take your right hand behind you and lift your chest. And as you exhale from above the breast, track turn. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, turn. Inhale, lift. And exhale, turn. And take a full breath in. Full breath out. Baby stays forward. Heart stays forward. Breathing in. Breathing out. As you exhale, unwind. Sweep your arms out wide and up. Exhale, close to your heart. Lean back, switch to crossing out your legs. Take your right hand to your left hip, left hand behind you, breathe and lift your chest. Exhale, turn. Inhale, lift. Exhale, turn. Baby stays forward. Breathe in. And exhale, turn. You're doing full breath in, full breath out. Good, breathing in, and breathing out. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, unwind, sweep your arms out wide now. Exhale, palms to your heart. Get roll forward onto your hands and your knees. Definitely grab a blanket if your knees are seated and your blocks. Tuck your toes under, lengthen your chest forward, breathe in. As you exhale around. It should become almost like second nature, those cat-cows, connecting your breath and your movement and your body, your baby. We're seeing this movement as a magnifying glass to truly notice how we feel today. We're going to take some pelvic circles here, especially later in pregnancy. Those are so nice. When a teacher Caprice, she was saying, imagine that you're drawing your name in cursive with your tailbone. Your name is like when she's 15 or something. It'd be pretty challenging. We'll send some breath into your pelvis, into your baby. And loosen your back to center. Tuck your right toes under, slide your right leg back behind you. Then roll forward and back onto your toes. Really nice and easy, breathing into the right side of your hip. The front of your hip flexor here. Good. And then stay here. Keep your legs straight. Keeping your right toes on the ground, slide them over to the left. Turn your gaze over towards your left toes and then push your right heel away. Good. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. And slide your leg back. Tap your knee down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen, tuck your toes under, slide your leg back, and then roll forward and back up to those left toes. Good, and then keeping your left toes on the ground, slide your leg over to the right. Turn your gaze over to the left, to the right, to see your toe and push your heel away. in, let the experience be where it is. Personally, it's when my eye right up. Just don't let it take over the muscles of your face. Breathing in, breathing out. And come back to center. Tap your knees down. Walk your hands forward, one handprint. Tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Lift up and back. And pedal through your feet here. And keep your knees bent, and then send your hips up and back. As if you wanted your sit bones to reach where the back wall and the ceiling meet. And then maybe you straighten your legs, but maybe not. Just breathing into the place where your trunk meets your leg. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Tap your knees down. Take your hands to your blocks, take your right foot forward. And then one at a time, take your hands to your front thigh. Gain your tailbone down, lift the front of your belly up. You're essentially making sure that the bowl of your pelvis isn't spilling forward or spilling back, right? It's right underneath your shoulders, so that when you take deep breath into your baby, they're spacious, right? And they're potent. Magnetize your front heel and back knee together. Open your arms wide, flip your arms up and over. Hook your thumbs. Fan your fingertips away from your midline and get longer. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. And breathing in. And breathing out. And take your hands out, down to the blocks. Tuck your back toes under, slide your back knee up. And ground your back heel down, warrior two. Nice and early warrior two. Inhale, straighten your front leg, reach up. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Good, cartwheel your arms down to frame your front foot. Lift your back heel up, tap your back knee down. Switch, right knee down, left foot forward. One hand at a time to your front thigh. Tailbone down, lift the front of your pubis up. Sweep your arms up by your ears. Hook your opposite thumb on top. Fan your fingertips away from your midline and grow. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. And one more breath. And extend your arms down to your blocks. Lift your back knee up. Round your back heel down, warrior two. Not the deepest warrior two you've ever taken. Just lift through your inner thigh, breathe into your baby's home. Inhale up. And exhale, bend. Inhale up. And exhale, bend. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Good. Cartwheel your arms down to frame your front foot. Lift your back heel up. Lay your back knee down. Take your knee down. Hands down. Downward facing dog or child's pose. Just notice. Shake your head yes. Shake your head no. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. And tap your knees down or come up for your child's pose. Hands to your block, step one foot forward at a time, it does not matter which. And inhale forward. Exhale, bend. Again, inhale, lengthen forward. Exhale, bend over. And bend your knees, gaze forward. Hands to your thighs, use your belly, come all the way up to stand. Roll the top of your shoulders back. Palms by your side, feet underneath your baby. Inhale, reach your arms out, widen up. Good, exhale, hands to your heart. Again, inhale, widen up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, widen up. the hands to your heart. Good. Take your hands to your heart and to your baby. And just before we go back to our daily life, just take some hip circles here. You can feel so you feel a little wider, that feels nice. Maybe some figure eights. See if you can, as you move into this very primal, very minimal motion, really. Can you picture your babies home? And every time you move, you're bringing breath to your baby's spine, your baby's limbs, the feature of your baby's face. Slowly, just let that movement fade out. Maybe you keep a sway. Trust me, once that baby's here, constant swaying. Feel the ground underneath your 2 feet. Feel your breath, both beating up your baby and holding up your baby from underneath. Thank yourself for carving out some time to tune inward this morning. Crack open your eyes. Thank you so much for spending some time with